All right, it is January 6th. Awesome morning. I had 15 contracts. I scaled out 14 and just letting one run. And yeah, awesome Monday morning. I don't know if it's because of FOMC, but nice little rally here. On my new indicator, I can turn this one off. I've got my Rankos, which is pretty cool here. Got some good signals here. Just 10 micros here, and just killing it there. My brand new one that I published is basically this, and the sell here, kind of a late buy here, but I gotta maybe adjust the settings a little bit. I do like this. The Renko one's pretty cool too. So yeah, basically I got in a little late, but a solid buy. Got the trend dots, got the buy signals, everything above the EMAs, and it's just rocketing straight up. So how is my Gann doing? Yes, so the Gann, besides this, obviously the little flush here, kind of like the stop hunt, or I don't know what you call it, just kind of liquidity hunt here. Big, all good buys here, good, all solid. That was probably we'll hit the Gann here. That was a loss, obviously, but everything was pretty green. So yeah, the Gann's looking really good today. Of course, market matrix, how did it handle the just basically straight up from overnight. I don't have singles turned on until near market open, and basically pre-market would have lost, but that's like 8:45. But then the flush down again, pre-market, this freaking just came down harsh, and then there's a buy signal here that's already hit target. So yeah, if you were trading overnight, you wouldn't even be bothering with the open. You just freaking bought. That's pretty rare to just buy pretty much. It's probably close to like 10 o'clock at night and just go straight up. I wish that happened every day. Yeah, this might be one of those trend days. That's why I just left one on, and I'll just kind of trail it. I'm not expecting to get too much more out of this. So yeah, good day overall. Killer day. I think up over 2K on my funded account today. So I'll take it for a good Monday starting off the new year. Alrighty, see you tomorrow.